Do you need something to help you to take action? I have an oil for that. Motivate is an oil of motivation, and it's perfect when you are feeling stuck, lacking motivation, or in need of a mental boost. It's a blend of mint, citrus, and herbal essential oils. You can find all the ingredients in my description. You can use this essential oil two different ways, aromatically and topically. I like to use it aromatically in my diffuser at home when I need little motivation to start my day, or in my car diffuser when I need focus and clarity for my drive, or before my workout. Just add a drop in your hands, rub your hands together and inhale it, and apply it on the back of your neck to have physical and mental energy. And topically, you can get this kind of roller bottle. It's already diluted with fractionated coconut oil and ready to use. You can apply it on pulse points like your wrists, behind your ears, or on the back of your neck, or simply on your hands. Rub your hands together, inhale it, and apply the rest on the back of your neck. When you apply essential oils on your hands or the bottom of your feet, they will penetrate your skin and enter your bloodstream within 20 to 30 seconds. And they will touch every cell in your body within 20 to 30 minutes. So if you need motivation or quick pick-me-up, this will be a great addition to your collection. If you enjoyed my video and you would like to learn more about essential oils and natural solutions, join my newsletter list. You will receive weekly tips and solutions for your health and performance.